Hi everybody, it's Diana and I'm here to share another Teach Me Tuesdays video with you. I have a super cute stamp set to share with you and it's on to a venture. Now this is in the big catalog, but what I have done is I have paired it with some of the paper that's going to be in the January to June 2020 mini catalog. So I wanted to show you how super cute it is. And this is the Country Club Designer Series paper. It does come 12 by 12 and I have just trimmed it down to 6 by 6. It's just easier for me to show you on the video this size. These are some of the super cute patterns. Anything with plaid is A1 in my book. And these cute little golf balls. We've even got golf bags. Again, more plaid. Love. And it's just the cutest paper. There's even the flag things. You can tell I'm a golfer. Adorable. These are really fun, little emblems or whatever you would call them. I love those. Again, some more plaid. I will be probably using most of the plaid ones. The cute little golf cart. And this is even fun too. It's got a guy and a girl on the back. You can color them if you want. Leave them like they are. But you can use your Stampin' Blends on them. Some more fun plaid. This one almost looks kind of circus-like. So anyways, but that is the adorable paper. And then it goes with basic black, crushed curry, a garden green, night and navy, poppy parade, and whisper white. So those are the colors that coordinate with the paper. I always look at that, and then it helps me to pick out the colors that I'm going to use. Now these are all the Stampin' Blends that I used when I made this super cute little card. Look at this little guy. He is all ready to have a round of golf. I used the rectangle stitched dies to cut out my little pieces. I just used the Whisper White thick. And this is just a little piece of vanilla cardstock. It's best to have some sort of paper behind that will help you color with the blends, because it kind of makes you will go through the paper, so it's just a little easier. I usually grab the cardstock. It's a little less pulling or whatever. If you use the grid sheets, that works too, but I just always have some of these cut. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take, now this is my light pool party, and I'm just going to wiggle all the way around my little guy. This will just make it look like the sky is behind him. So I'm doing that. Then what I'm going to do to soften those edges, let's see if I can zoom a little bit. Let's see without messing it up too much. All right, there we go. Then I'm going to take my color lifter and I am just going to go around the edges. I'm not coloring the whole thing. I want it to stay dark next to the little golfer. But I'm just taking my color lifter. Now what that does, it's just going to soften the edges of my pool party. And if you want to go back, you could put a little bit of darker just in certain areas if you wanted to, like up against his hat and things like that. All right. Then I'm going to do, this is Granny Apple green. So I have my dark and I have my light. So just underneath his feet, I'll do the dark. Then I'll take the light and do the edges. Easy. All right. Now I want to do his little face. So I'm just using the light and dark, Petal Pink, and Light Flirty Flamingo. I'm going to do the edges, like up by his ear, underneath his little mustache with the dark. Then I'm going to take my Light Flamingo And I'm going to give him a little bit of a suntan. So, see the stamp set has these little dark, peppery looking marks. So that's where I'm going to put that flamingo. That just gives him a little bit of a healthy glow. And in his little bitty hands, don't forget about that. Just so that it looks like he's got a little bit of a sunburn. I don't know if that's healthy, is it, when you have a sunburn? But anyways, all right. Now let's move on to his mustache and his hair. Smoky, light, and dark. So same thing. He is so easy and so fun to color. I'm also going to do his little shoes. So I started out with the dark, and then I'll finish it off with the light. Do his little eyebrow. Oh my gosh, his mustache is so adorable. Isn't he cute? All right, let me do his little pants. He doesn't take a whole lot of time to color. He really doesn't. So I'm just using the Seaside Spray, light and dark, for his pants. His little hat is going to be using the mango. Now, the DSP has crushed curry, but I'm just using the mango because it looks perfect with it. Then the light to finish it off. Now, if you don't want to do light and dark, there's nothing wrong. We're simply coloring and you don't even blend, but I am using both. Now, this is just a light granite because I want his collar to be white. So by adding just a little bit of the granite, it just fools the eye that that is light instead of the dark. Or I mean, it's like a white color, because even white is not truly just white. There is some gray to it. And I'm going to put a little bit of the poppy off to the side there. So I'm just going where they have that little squirrely darkness with the kind of the squirrely peppery looking color. So then I know like that's where my darks would be. It would be a little bit dark under his collar and a little dark over here. So I'm just adding some of that. Then I'm just going to take my light poppy and fill it in. And if you don't want any of these lines, now sometimes I like the lines, especially that he's a little cartoonish. So then you want to almost like overemphasize lines because he's kind of cartoonish, but he is a little adorable. But if you don't want the lines, just simply go in a circle where that line is with your lighter and it will soften it and you don't see the line anymore. So isn't he so cute? So there he is, all colored. He's ready for his golf game. Then all I'm doing is I have a couple pieces of the cardstock. Let me move this away. And I'm going to put this piece here and this piece down here on the bottom. Then I have the cute little golf carts. And what I did was I made it be almost like a ribbon. I wanted to hide these two lines, so I'm just going to put that piece here, like that. It's going to get glued to my garden green. I popped this out with a 1/2-inch circle because I thought that might be kind of cute as well if you have some extra strips of paper. So that's going to go on here. This little guy is just going to get glue dotted onto there. And my little greeting. There's a few cute little greetings, but I chose the Ready for that hole-in-one. And it's going to get glued to here. But what I thought is how cute would it be, so let me move this little one apart, if you punched out like one of these little golf balls with the 1/2-inch circle and just pop it on there. Don't you think that would be kind of cute as well? So I haven't decided yet, so I just popped it out, but I'm still debating. But isn't that the cutest little card? This set is adorable. I want to make a whole bunch more using some of the other little, let me zoom out a little bit, some of the other little pieces. So this little lady looks like she's dancing, or maybe she's doing yoga. I kept thinking that this one was the shopper, but she's got a suitcase. But it could also be one of those shopping bags that has a wheel. If she's any kind of like a shopper like I am, you need a little more support for all the stuff you bought. And of course, he's on his way to Hawaii. Doesn't it look like he's got like a Hawaiian shirt on? But anyways, this is an adorable little stamp set. So that is just me popping in to have a quick little Teach Me Tuesdays video. Make sure you pop on over to my blog. Make sure you also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the little dinger bell so that you are notified when I upload a new video each Tuesday. And I do want to upload more than just a Tuesday, but I just did want to pop in today and share that cute little card with you. So I will say, see you later. Have an awesome week, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.